Kichengsi kardom kadukawe Karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara du anapans tame lapen arjideng kloipen pini putot na litum apanili video na kiwan pi labang kena litum la non screen long tek pon long exi Karbi Anglong Women and Child Development Voreng Avarsai written exam lapen admit card kiron ponji adet lapen penaan details nili na litum pan laso video long nang than pechini ponik po na litum laso YouTube channel long josi nang kahomri milang pudika chingon pena litum subscribe ikon lapen videos tami na litum share ponikon lapen copy athesini lila anarjiding video upload le det ma labang kenali tum stami chini pota hailo lapen pini pen ni listami ki on an labang kenali tum pan video regular naki wan piwer ji pan sin li hin pen stami bor ipon ikpo tangte non pathek pen chethan polona Karbi Anglong Women and Child Development Voreng Avarsai written exam lapen admit card kiron ponji adet aputhak le tangte non pathek pen chithan polonang la pen lang polonang nang litum screen long thek ponlong ji Government of Assam Department of Women and Child Development kidam tang hostame ni lina so Voreng Avarsai aputhak stame nang litum pan na piklang pon iklo la so YouTube channel long nang litum thek pon long ikpo la pen puthon non ka piklang pon thul la bangke nang litum dak thek long ji notice for interview la pen written test apan si dak notice bang kipi pon lo la pen la so Voreng Avarsai long ko mama tum si ki jogdun ma la so puthak nang litum komena long pachini ikta la pen non lang polonang lapen chithan polonang komantuar ni si interview mate written test kapado ponjima na sopu thagle lapenali tumdak theklongji it is for information to all the concerned eligible candidates who have applied for the post of supervisor lapen statistical assistance mate SA putapon sur form pen lapen dak LDA kam typeness upon kipi pondo ICDS Karbi Anglong department pen lapen advertisement number na litum putat dak thek pon long thuji the advertisement number kipi pondo lo lapen nasolo lasinon putat dak kipi pon la bangke written test examination lapen apor at times dak than pon lo nasinili non nali tum hana piklang pon tu ikpo kiching sinali tum thek tulongji dak serial number lang pon igo 1 2 3 an kipi pondo name of post labang ke dak number 1 long ke supervisor afan lo lapen day and date of written exam labang ke sunday ani sipada pon po 9 February 2025 si lapen apor labang ke 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. ansi and pon ikpo exam exam apor labang ke lapen adim na labang ke nalitum theklongji diphu girls college dharam nala la sodim sipada pon po lapen puthodo thula and number 2 lo nalitum theklongji statistical assistance upon stamedak 9 February 2025 arni sipado ponpo lapen apor la bangke 2 pm pen 5 pm ang bongsi exam bangke and ponikpo adim laki sivet lo difu girls college dharamnala long lo lapen number 3 long dotula LDA kam typeness upon stame adet la bangke sivet lo written test adet la bangke lapen apors tami isiver lo statistical assistance lapen LDA com typeness lahini Voreng Avarsai apan bangke exam ke tokji apor la bangke isiver lo 2 pm pen 5 pm ansi la song bongsi and ponikpo lapen adim la ta isiver lo difu girls college dharamnala along lo lapen nali tuma thai admit card koson sikilong jima polotangte so admit card aputhak stame dake tokpondo the individual admit cards to all candidates will be issued of nali tumda thek polongji 3rd February 2025 pensi admit card labangke kironji adet lo lapet 8 February 2025 ansi last date lo admit card la swangbong nali tum and naming nang po mate ingthom dam ignang po lapen office long sidam nang po office apor hot lapen hola suhut nali tum ki poneng ji labangke hipak ni dak photo poneng ji lapen photo identity along stame nalitum so photo long stame cell attested pinang po mate amen chitok nang po lalapul nalitum admit card labangke long ikpo lapen the details of eligible and eligible candidates for each post mentioned about the selected as per norms of advertise who application are found valid or rejected intending the grounds of rejection will be published display in the office notice board of the undersigned candidates may check their names accordingly nasinali tum admit card enam dia aprang office long palinang po on the office long notice board long kapa bon pondo kumama candidate atum hansi ka reject pon ma lapen ko bangko an hansi ka select pon ma la sop thak stami nang litum hadang notice board long pi ponik po lapen ka reject iya thela bangke nang litum jong si ki jogdun dak documents lapen ki hangateng advertisement long ki pipona teng jong si choglim li pulte labang ki 100% reject pon po si advertisement alulong stami tok pon iklo la si la eligible lapen eligible candidates atum stami nalitum list bange lang paprangon lale nalitum admit card bangke and amikon lapen putho dage tok pon dola future the candidates of the above post of still under security and the discrepancy in ineligibility of difference of the false wrong the comments information is found deducted to any stage the selection process after the selection lapen ladak ke tok pon na son lo documents jong senali tum copy pin fake document jong si pi dun do polte la haita dak reject pon pop sip tok pon lapen la general information la bangke nali tum dak pen ke chini nang chikinang sot lo number 1 long ke tok pon copy pi ma la ta nali tum lang pon ikon candidate for the post of supervisor will be have to appear in a written test for 100 marks of 3 hours duration. Qualifying candidates will be first have to appear in oral interview. Let's say as supervisor Voreng Avarsai mate apu sapan bangke dak 100 marks se dak pi ponik po lapen apor la bangke 3 hours mate gunta ke thom anse exam apor la bangke pi pon po la written
February
test
1st
along
kali pulutang
nali
ti
tum undun polte oral
la
interview
March
apan nali tum
1st
pan
molam
na
si
hanong
long
po
ponji pusi
jalasono lapen putho dak dutulang and number 2 long candidate for the post of statistical assistance mate SA post will have to appear in written test for 100 marks in 3 hours duration qualifying. Let's say statistical assistance mate SA fanstamin asono 100 marks to pon po lapen apor la bangke 3 hours ansi exam por bangai piponik po lapen la exam long ki ondun anatum hansi oral mate interview bangke and ponik po lapen LDA com typeness fanstamin asono 100 marks piponik po lapen apor la bangke gonta ke thom anlo lapen la sodim written test jong si undon polte nalitum oral interviews tame and ponik po sono lapen computer proficiency test tame and ponik ji la statistical assistance lapen la LDA com typeness la so Voreng Avarsai la bangke lapen putho dotula number 4 long ke tok pon do thalak la tanali tum ka chini nang jila ta kenang sarlo no candidate will be allowed to enter in the exam hall room after half an hour in la selesan ke tok pon la bang ke la sono jong snali tum exam a por ting pen jong se pale dun de pulte nali tum fan exam hall long lod long le pasi la dakta ke tok pon la sinali tum jong si dam si pulte advance pen dam ikon jong si exam pidun exi pulte kali pulte nali tum tok do nong lelo lapen lo do nong lelo lapen number 5 bang ke tok pon to tla entry in the examination hall will be allowed with admit cards only. No candidates will be allowed to sit for the written examination without having valid admit card. Lasi la admit card ke do abang phu mate abang fi atum si ludun long shot di mate exam bang tok dun long shot po lasi nalitum exam togi pulte la admit card bang kenali tum cheponik vek nang po original nang jilata son xerox copy le pon lo pulte nali tum lata na accept se lo se original admit card si nali tum exam ke tok dam arni bang ke pon nang po la pen number 6 long ke tok pon do thula the candidate must bring along with 2 copies of recent passport size photo with their full signature containing his her roll number on the reserve a valid photo identity proof and his or black blue ball pen beside their admit card. Let's say details an bang ke admit card long stami topon po tahailas stami ni lidang nang than pachin pon pon na litum photo pakni pon nang ji pata dak tokpon la pen identity proof na litum ponang po like Aadhaar card pan card lahai bang che ponang po la pen ola kitok ji akolom la bang ke blue kalte black pen blue black ball point pen sinalitum ponang po kali pulte accept se pata ladak tokpon la pen number 7 ong ke tokpon do thla no books or loose paper of any kind mobile phones calculator bags or any electronics device will be allowed inside the examination hall. They should maintain silence and discipline in the exam hall. Any candidates found possession of the such provided items inside the examination hall shall be disqualified. Mate la som lo nang litum jong si exam hulal arlo analitum son paper kapre paper pon lapen kumane ke cheating da pon tahi mine lapen mobile phone lapen calculator bags lahai jong si pon lo pulo tangte mate lason watch ta do electronic watch do lahai ta pon le jong si lahai pon lo odak long lo pulote exam la bangke nalitum pan exam hol pensi aw dat po mate disqualified dat po puta ladak pachini pon lo lapen number 8 long do tulang ke tok pon Number 8 long question come answer sheet will be provided by answering question. Candidate must return the question come answer paper script in the evaluators before leaving the exam hall. Lasanalitum la nalitum kitok question answer paper anta nalitum odak jongsi nalitum toktang elopolte evaluator apan paklang nang po pachini nang po lapendet le nalitum damik nang po pada tokpon number 9 long dola Number 9 lang kitok pon la bangkila sono signature of the candidate on the question come answer sheet and attendance sheet are mandatory failing which her result may not be processed and may be declared disqualified la sinali to modak uh, question mate la exam paper long nalitum amen signature la bang tok thai nang chi la pen a date anta nalitum mention thai nang po details bangada ka fill up nang ji ason anba nalitum fill up nang po jong sinalitum fill up on people te disqualify po mate nang litum han puthot la exam long pes tami reject pon po puta ladak tok pon lo mate pachini pon iglo la pen number 10 long tok pon lang candidate flowing any sort on or fear miss canvassing directly indirectly inform misbehavior or misconduct will be led to disqualification rejection any cancellation candidate not be considered will be entered in the matter la seodak rule and regulation ating pens dam nang po nang litum thang pasik succeeded ba asi ke thipen ching ki keda jolason ang po syllabus for written exam general english general studies and subject matter lapen subject mate syllabus ki pipon written exam han bang ke general english lapen general studies lapen subject matter ayu se dak and ponik po pusta ladak tok pon mate pachini ponik lo lasi laso Voreng Avarsai lang ki jogdon an abang pu mate abang phitum nalitum prabsin pen admit card dak tok pon adet pen ating nalitum andam ikon lapen exam apor ating pen nalitum video ni kon la sinilihin pens tame advance na li tamafan matela so Voreng Avarsai long la written exam ke tok dun sia fans tame good luck lo la pen video na litum kan ma share pon on share ego Karbi Anglong ras tame pelang ikna la pen pachini ikna tang de pinia video long bangkel anleng ton pon ikna la sidomi thakmi kadu kave Karbi Tish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang ra to on fans tame nilihin pen cardom